video, I'm going to talk you through just the basics of Blender and how you can get started creating your first 3D objects. So I've just opened up Blender here, and I'm going to begin with a general project. Now, the first thing that we need to know about Blender is just how we can move around the interface. In the middle of my screen here, which takes up the largest part, I have got my scene. On the right hand side here, I have got different properties. And on the left hand side here, I've got different transformation controls. If I look at the scene first of all, I can use the scroll wheel on my mouse to zoom in and to zoom out. So scrolling out, I zoom out. Scrolling up, I zoom in. If I press down the scroll wheel of my mouse and then move my mouse, I start to rotate around an object. And then if I hold down the shift arrow, which is the big arrow on the left hand side pointing up above the control key, and then I hold down the scroll wheel of my mouse, I can start to pan around the scene, so move around the scene, in other words. The controls on the left hand side are really important. These are our transformation controls, so it's going to allow us to move our object, to rotate our objects, and to also scale our objects. So if I start with move, I will select the move tool, and it will appear with these three arrows, and then I can just drag those arrows and move the object along the x-axis, the z-axis, and the y-axis. The rotate option, same again, it allows me to rotate along the x, the y, and the z. And then finally, I have this scale tool here. I'm just going to go back a few times. And the scale tool lets me change the size of an object. So here I'm going to drag out the sides and then drag it up. That is our first video.